Hello guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the Vacuum Cleaner Mini from Xiaomi. The box contains a nozzle, a brush nozzle, a USB cable, a charger, an instruction book and the vacuum cleaner. A longer nozzle can be useful for corners and small areas. The brush nozzle is nice for sensitive surfaces. It's nice to see that this product comes with a charger and a USB-C to A cable. These days, more and more brands aren't including such basic accessories anymore. The instruction manual and the vacuum cleaner, which has a stylish and lightweight design and is easy to hold. First thing to do before testing is charging the battery. Simply connect the USB cable and power up. You can see it's charging when the light starts to blink. The charging time takes pretty long, I must say, about 2.5 hours. I think it's because of the charger that comes with it, because when I was charging my smartphone, it also charged slower than usual. You can connect the nozzles to the vacuum cleaner by clicking them in. Let's connect both the nozzles to the vacuum cleaner. Press on the power button to turn it on. It has 2 power levels. Press twice to activate the stronger level and press another time to turn it off. Let's try it out. It cleans pretty good. I like the brush nozzle, which enables you to reach small surfaces and not cause damage to vulnerable material. What I didn't like was the length of the battery. I tried it a few times now on high power level and it can only be used up to 20 minutes. Compared to the time it takes to charge, I feel like this is a bit too short. Emptying the dirt bin is really easy. Just take out the filter and brush it off. Overall, it's a stylish, compact and wireless vacuum cleaner which is easy to use. It's a nice device to have on the side to dust off some narrow spots. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video and want to see more. See you in the next one.